Are you struggling to find work in the competitive world of freelancing? Do you dream of running your own business but feel unsure about how to write a winning proposal? Don't worry, our team is here to help you succeed in the freelancing market. One of the biggest challenges in the freelancing market is how to sell yourself. Without a proposal, it's impossible to showcase your skills and expertise. That's why you need to write a proposal that effectively showcases your strengths. To demonstrate your skills and experience in your proposal, it's important to include testimonials and ratings. Additionally, make sure to proofread your proposal for typos and grammar errors. Success in the freelancing business requires more than just writing a proposal. You need to stay up to date with industry trends, constantly improve your skills, and network with other professionals. With these tips, you can succeed as a freelancer and achieve your business dreams.
And how to pitch client in this freelance.com, Upwork and Fiverr. So I will tell you to go to your browse example. I think there are browse options and projects you click on, and there are many projects where are there. If you selected your profile, so you get many projects for work with most companies, and you will get the big amount on the work of which you are doing. So I think there is a web development, copywriting, video editing, image editing, etc. are there. But you have to take one skill. I think you can make AI images also on Fiverr and earn money. Nowadays, the easiest way to earn money also there. So subscribe our channel for more updates and contact our support team for more income. So there are ways to pitch this I will pitch the garage business on WordPress website. So this are looking good website. But we have to check a verified payment. Only you check only verified a payment or not. If not verified, you do not take this their projects. If payment is verified, you to take the project. So I have here a proposal. So I will give you a proposal in my description. When winning your client in 40 to 15 minutes in 5 minutes. Also meet in the next video. Bye bye.